Can't find the shortcut for that new app you installed on your Windows 11 PC? No sweat. In this video, I'll walk you through a couple of ways to create shortcuts. Let's dive right in without wasting any time. Method 1. Creating shortcuts from the Start menu. To do this, click on the Windows icon from the taskbar. Then click on All Apps. Now you'll see a list of all the apps you've installed on your computer. Now find the app that you want to create a shortcut on your desktop. Next, click on it once, then drag it and drop it onto your desktop. And that will create the shortcut for the app. Method 2. Create from File Explorer. For this, open up the File Explorer on your computer. Next, go to where you have installed the app. By default, most apps are installed in the Program Files and Program Files x86 folder in the C drive. Next, open up the folder where the app is installed and look for the program file. You can easily identify it by checking the type column to see if it says Application. Then right-click on it and select Show More Options from the context menu. Next, click on Create Shortcut. And this window will pop up. Just click on Yes. Now go back to your desktop and you'll see the shortcut for that app right there. So guys, that's how you create shortcuts for apps in Windows 11. If the video was useful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. As always, thanks a million for watching and I'll see you in the next one.